Albatta davom etamiz.
The Swiss Samurai will give up some height and reach. Both of them hugely experienced, similar records, 27 victories for Muradov, 23 for Enomoto. But look at the tip sport odds, 1-5 against the Swiss Samurai. Let's get this one underway.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for the next bout. Middle bout, 3 final rounds, and the referee in charge is Václav Sibyl. Let me introduce you both fighters, and we will start in the blue corner. He's 41 years old, stands 182 centimeters tall, weight in 84 kilo. Represents Enomoto Dojo. Coaches in his corner are Stefani Bortolozzi, Kenji Bortoluzzi, and Tiziano Visconti. He has a professional record of 38 fights, 23 wins, 9 finishes, 15 losses. Fighting out of Switzerland, Yasube, the Swiss Samurai Enomoto. Across the cage in the red corner, 35 years old, 190 centimeters tall, weight in 84.3. MMA Ankos and MMA Monster. Coaches in his corner are Petr Monster Kníže and Marek Jinsky. He has a professional record of 36 fights, 27 wins, 20 finishes, 1 no contest, and 8 losses. Representing Neruda Cup team Tip Sport and fighting out of Uzbekistan, Mahmoud Muradov.
Demak, jangchilar e'lon qilinishdi. Hozir referi ularga qonun qoidalarini birin-ketin tushuntirib qo'ydi. Endi qisqacha qilib qonun qoidani bu yerda to'liq tushuntirishning iloji yo'q. Jangchilar albatta qonun qoidalarini yaxshi bilishadi. Ikkala jangchi ham 30 tadan ko'proq jang o'tkazgan professional karyerasida. Demak, birinchi raund boshlandi. Hurmat bilan boshlanyapti raund. Low kick bilan demak ilk zarbani ochib berdi Mahmud Murodov. Demak, mana shu jang oldidan Abduqodir Abdulvoris hozir biroz Abduqodir Abduvorisov, agar adashmagan bo'lsam, MMA jangchimizning nomi esimdan chiqib qoldi hozir. Abduqodir Abduvorisov bilan demak muloqot qilganimda aynan Enomoto bilan Tiger Muay Thai mashg'ulot zalida sparring o'tkazganman dedi. Unchalik ham katta baho bermadi Enomotoga. Kurashi deyarli yo'q dedi. Bu oqshomda o'zi aslida Mahmud Murodov bilan Luterbek jang qilish kerak edi, braziliyalik jangchi, lekin jarohat sabab, kasallik sabab overhand zarbasini yaxshigina ilib oldi Samuray. Endi o'zi tana qismiga, bosh qismiga uranyapti. Hozir menimcha ko'zga qo'lini tiqib oldi. Davom etadi jang. Referi o'zlaring kelishib olasizlar dedi, menimcha. Aralashib o'tirmadi. O'ng qo'l zarbasi aniq o'tyapti Mahmud Murodovdan. Hozircha Mahmud Murodov yaxshi ko'rinyapti. Nokaut ko'rishimiz ham mumkin. Ko'rdingiz, og'ir zarbani o'tkazdi. O'zi overhand va flying zarbalari bu kalit zarbalar Mahmud Murodov uchun. Ikkinchi raqamli bo'lib ishlamoqda hamyurtimiz. Birinchi raqamli jangchi bo'lib Enomoto oktagonni egallab olgan. Mahmud Murodov himoyadan harakat qilmoqda. Tana qismiga zarba, bosh qismiga bo'lgan hujum aniq chiqmadi. O'ng qo'l zarbasi Murodovdan. Hozircha og'ir zarbalarni ko'rmay qo'ydik. Birozga to'xtab qolishdi, temp biroz pasayyapti. Oldinga boryapti. Mana bu yerda parterga harakat. Bittada olib o'tdi Mahmud Murodov. Ortiqcha harakat ham qilib o'tirmadi. Hozircha nazoratni amalga oshirishga harakat qilmoqda. O'zi Murodov UFC'dan ketgandan so'ng bizga ko'pincha kurashini ko'rsatyapti. Octagon MMA'dagi birinchi jangida ham uni kurashini ko'rgandik. Kurash tushib, raqibni mag'lub qilgandi, 3 raund qiynab. Bu safar ham mana shunday ssenariyni ko'rish ehtimolimiz yo'q emas.
But there was still a lot of danger and a lot of pressure from Yusubi, so putting Enomoto on his back with a minute and 30 seconds remaining in this first round, very intelligent, high fight IQ.
Bosh qismiga zarba Mahmuddan.
Next to his name that he has.
You see in the corner there, another legend of Czech MMA, Petr Monster Kaniše. Those two have been together throughout the career of
Nazoratni amallab turibdi. Hozircha zarbalar yo'q, lekin nazorat bor.
Foot on the hip here from Enomoto, going to maybe try and work his legs up, but Muradov just bullying him here up against the fence.
Iloji bo'lsa zarbalar ham qo'shish kerak.
Taking
To'g'risini aytaman, birinchi jang o'zi UFC'dan ketgandan so'ng birinchi jangga Mahmud Murodovni zerikarli o'tgan. Agar bu jang ham shunday o'tadigan bo'lsa, bilmadim, muxlislarni o'zi eski Mahmud Murodovni ko'rish umidlarim biroz kamayib qolsa kerak. Endi albatta asosiysi g'alaba, lekin jangni odamlar miriqib ko'rish uchun tomosha qilishadi baribir.
trying to pass round to the right side.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, 6 submissions on his record.
Hozircha zarbalar minimal darajada tana qismiga
Around the world.
yengil zarbalar yo'lladi Mahmud. Qo'yib yubormayapti Enomotoni.
Muradov is something that's so hard to deal with in this weight class.
O'ng qo'l zarbasi, mana endi hujum boshlanyapti.
10 seconds now left in round number 1.
Bosh qismiga zarbalar beryapti. So'nggi 10 soniya. Endi risk qilsa ham bo'ladi. Bemalol turib zarbalar berishga harakat qilsa, lekin unday qilgani yo'q. Umuman turib ketib qo'ya qoldi.
And also puts it on
Ikkinchi raundda demak davom etadi jang. Hozircha tanaffus.
him like that makes him feel uncomfortable.
And Muradov looking relaxed. Wanted to stay on this card. Again, there was talk, well, there is talk, obviously, of the potential fight between him and Kinsella in June at the Fortuna Arena. So when Yolton Lutabak came out, many people thought he'd want to come off the card, just take that fight, work towards that. But he was adamant he wanted to perform, he wanted to put this camp to the test here. And that says a lot about him as well, right? That's him as a competitor, where he is right now. He's not just looking for, you know, the marquee fights. He just wants to fight.
Here's that right hand he landed. The rocks, Yusubi. You don't see
Takroriy lavhalarni bizga namoyish etishmoqda.
going to the body well as well. I like seeing Muradov on the feet. I like seeing him striking. He's so explosive and athletic.
Great hands, great hands.
Ikkinchi raundga jangchilar taklif qilinishmoqda.
All the judges agree. First round goes to Mahmud Muradov.
Cage door closes. We are set and ready for round number 2. A potential
Yaxshigina charchashgani aniq,
middleweight battle.
chunki aktiv kurash kechdi.
Again, and the most
Jang demak stoykada davom etadi.
Muradov in the red.
See if Muradov can peel that pressure off.
Chap qo'l zarbasi,
He's very good at controlling the center of the cage and pushing backwards.
o'ng qo'l zarbasi aniq tarzda chiqyapti.
But I feel like
Mahmuddan
the defense of
mana stoykada harakat qilsa ham bo'ladi.
Even the way he
Endi
sliced
menimcha
forward,
balki
even the
risk
way he
qilgisi
shelled up,
kelmayotgan.
the elbow greeted Muradov as he stepped in as well. Oh, nice too.
and I feel like Muradov a little bit lazy on the defense. His offense.
Oldinga boryapti Enomoto, birinchi raundda bo'lgani kabi orqaga bir mana havodagi nokaut do'stlar. Shunchaki turib uxlab qoldi, ko'rdingizmi? Zarbani qabul qildi va o'sha joyda o'zi bo'lgandi. Shunchaki qolgani refleks bo'lib ketdi. Instinkt ishlab o'zi kurashga kirib ketib qoldi menimcha. O'zi ba'zi videolarda ko'rgan bo'lsangiz kerak, jangchilar nokaut bo'lib qolgandan keyin hakam bilan, referi bilan kurashib ketishadi. Hozir mana shu jangchi Enomoto aynan shunday holatga tushib qoldi.
What a finish by him.
Shunchaki ajoyib nokaut, ajoyib g'alaba hamyurtimizni
Enomoto.
karyerasidagi 28-g'alaba bilan tabriklaymiz. Shuningdek, o'zbek auditoriyasi, o'zbek muxlislarini ham. Demak, birozdan so'ng UFC 313 oqshomi ham boshlanadi. Hozir Mahmud Murodov oktagondan chiqib ketgandan so'ng bu efirga yakun yasayman. UFC 313 oqshomida barchangizni kutib qolaman. Boshidan oxirigacha o'zbek tilida sharhlab boraman. Qiziqarli janglar guvohi bo'lamiz. Bu esa Mahmud Murodovning sevgan yori.
You know, put on a great performance, and again, getting a finish like that, that's a highlight reel. He needs a title shot next. If it's into
He's got it. Listen, it's set.
Bizga endi rasmiy e'lon qilib qo'ysa bo'lgani. Takroriy lavhani ko'ramiz. 10 qo'l zarbasi bo'ldi, mana o'chi bo'lgandi. Pishtonni ham ko'tarib qo'ydi. Hech nima bo'lmagandek, bildirmagandek, o'tdi, bilib qolishmasin deb. Qisqasi ajoyib g'alaba ko'rdi.
Man to face next for Patrick Kinsella. That'd be a fantastic fight. None of that matters. Second round, 40 seconds in, gets the finish, gets the knockout against the Swiss Samurai.
Yeah, the Samurai.
Zarbalar statistikasini ko'ryapsiz. 27 ta aniq zarbaga 5 ta zarba bilan javob bergan xolos Enomoto.
What a performance from Muradov from start to finish. That first round showed stuff on the feet, the grappling on the ground, and then clinical execution with that strike. The right hand right behind the ear.
Demak, endi e'lon qilib qo'yishsa, shu bilan efirga yakun yasab, UFC 313 oqshomini kutamiz. UFC 313 oqshomida ikkita jang bekor bo'ldi, shu sababdan biroz kechiktirilishi mumkin. Jang oqshomi yana o'z to'g'ri 30 dan 5:00 ga ko'chirilgan edi, adashmasam, endi 5:30 ga ko'chirilishi ham mumkin. Endi 5:30 ga ko'chirilsa, umuman olganda yomon bo'lmaydi men uchun. Og'zimni ham yopib olaman. Qulayroq bo'lardi. Demak, eshitamiz. Mahmud Murodov nokaut bilan g'alaba qozonyapti. Do'stlar, men demak, efirga yakun yasayman. Sizlar bilan Shohrux Abubakirov bo'ldi. Jonli efirda UFC 313 da ko'rishamiz.
Okay, so we will do it in Czech again, and then I will translate. Takže gratulace, samozřejmě.
Congratulations, Mark. That was a great performance we saw from you. How tough of an opponent was he?
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Germany.
Sorry, guys.
I was prepared for everything. Ground, striking. You could see I was ready. I was striking hard. In the first round, I really hit him hard. When I came back to the organization, I wasn't sure about my hands because they hurt, but today everything went fine. Cutting weight was easy. I'm really looking forward. Fucking hell, I'm looking forward to Eden. I'm looking forward to Kinsel. That fight is going to be amazing. I hope he gets ready for me, he doesn't get injured, and we really go at it.
Okay, so you maybe know one word in Czech. Definitely.
Hey guys, you like it my fight? When you like it, I come again.
Now let's have a look at the screen and talk us through your KO. Did you see that that right hand was enough?
Hey, I really respect the guy, and Petr was asking me, if you hit him, are you gonna go for it? I didn't really want to go for it that much because I really like him. I grew up watching him. You can say whatever you want, but I really respect him, and I'm happy I got the win. This is a huge piece of experience for me, and this is really big for me. And in the end, I'm just happy to have gotten the win.
All right, last question. How are you visualizing the Patrick Kinsel fight now that's going to happen in Eden?
I just want to enjoy it. He hit me once, and in the first round, he gave me an eye poke, so that was kind of bad, but then I got another hit, got him to the ground, got some breaths in, and I really enjoyed this fight. Hey, I'll get another KO next time. He has a mouthful of talk, so we'll see how that ends. I'm going for the win. I'm going for the belt. And then I also need to take down Engizek.
So
All right.
I will just translate. The last question was because of this win, he will fight for interim belt in middleweight fight with Patrick Kincel in Czech Republic, June 14. And he says, I will KO Patrick Kincel, and then I sadly have to KO also Kerim Engizek, who's current champion. So we will see. Thank you, Mark. Congratulations for the winner. Yes.
Sorry guys. Já chtěl bych moc poděkovat svým trenérům.
I also want to thank my coaches. Victor, thank you so much. We like you so much. Andrej Koštelský, thank you very much from Poland. Marek Monster. I want to thank my love, the love of my life. I'd like to dedicate this to my daughter. Your daddy really loves you. And thank you to everyone who came here from the Czech Republic. I heard you. Thank you so much.
Mark Muradov.
Mak Muradov, first fight of 2025, an emphatic finish that sets up the stage for the Fortuna Arena for that, you know, big fight for the Czech Republic that will see former champion Kincel versus this man.